How to get your wallet address on Binance. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to easily get your wallet address on Binance. Without any further delay, let's just jump right into it. Open up Binance application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, all you have to do is go over to the wallet section from the top of your screen. So from Exchange, go over to Wallet, and to get your wallet address, you need to be verified on Binance by providing some sort of government issued ID. I've already done that, so I'm able to get my wallet address. So what I can do is tap and receive under my wallet. Then you can just select receive tokens via addresses. And from all network, you can just select any one of your networks. For example, USDT, you can just select it, tap on it, and you can select your network. So for USDT, I'll just select Tron. Once you've selected your network, it should give you your QR code and your wallet address. Tap on the copy button to copy it to your clipboard. Now you can just send it to your sender and they can easily add assets to your wallet. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.